The question reads, if each pot shown below is of 1 liter and the fourth pot is exactly filled with 750 milliliter of juice, then how much is the total juice in all the pots given below? And then you have been given a figure consisting of 4 pots and there are some options to choose from. So if each pot shown below is of 1 liter, that means the capacity of each of the pot is 1 liter. It means the capacity of this pot is 1 liter, this pot is 1 liter, similarly for the other 2 pots respectively. Now you can see that the first 3 pots are filled with 1 liter of juice and the fourth pot is filled with 750 milliliter of juice. So the total fluid in these 3 pots is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 liter. Now here we need to convert this 750 milliliter to part of 1 liter, which is 1000 milliliter. So you must be knowing that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 750 by 1000, we can calculate 25 3 are 75, 25 4 are 100 is equal to 3 by 4 liter. So 3 by 3 liter plus 3 by 4 liter is equal to 3 by 4 liter. So we can clearly say that option B is the right option.